Okay, I am back at it again today. So I need to take, after I saw cut the PebbleTec on that laser line, I now am chipping out all the PebbleTec, which is probably about a 1/2 inch thick, yeah, maybe a 1/2 inch thick or so. And I need to cut and chisel all of that out. So that's what I'm working on now. It is a slow and arduous process. It's a little tough on the arms, a little tough on the upper body. I'm using this jackhammer thing again, this little with a little blade on it, little 1 1/4 inch, 1.5 blade, and I'm just going to show you. All right, so it doesn't look pretty, but it is. I've gone from here. I've probably gotten about 5 feet or so. I started chipping right about here, so I got all this done. You can see how thick that is. That's probably about a 1/2 inch thick or so right here. And I just got to get all this off all the way to the other rock in order to have enough of that lip so I can put the waterline tile on there. So this is tough. This is going to take me probably, several hours to get this done. I've been working for maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and I feel like my whole body's shaking right now because this jackhammer's shaking me down to my core. But I'm just going to keep plugging away. You guys want to see what this looks like? Let's watch. My whole body hurts right now. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Just need a little breather here for a second. That's tough. It gets to a point where it's kind of hard to even hold this thing up, and it's just shaking so hard. Give me a good upper body workout. Whew. All right, this is fun. Let's keep going. Okay, time for another break. I know that was only about 2 or 3 or 4 minutes. I don't know how long that was, but it felt like forever. So we're probably looking at 4 feet, maybe about 4 more feet on this side, and then another, 10 feet or so on the other side. So I've gotten a long way, but I still have a long way to go, it feels. And I do need to go clean this up once I'm done chipping. I need to make sure it's all deep enough for the thin set and the mortar thickness to be even with that with the PebbleTec. So here we go. Let's keep hashing it out. Wow, that is one heck of a hard job. My arms are kind of shaking a little bit. So, and I've got grime in every fold. Here we go. I'm just going to keep going. I think I figured out that using the corner of the blade actually looks a little bit better than using the entire blade. Here we go. Let's keep going. Okay, that side's done. Almost done. So I'm gonna, let's walk around and let's look at it. Let me wipe you off here. There you go. Okay, so that was probably about 1 hour of work. Almost, I think. I'll have to see and look at this timestamp on the camera and find out how long that took. But, oh man. All right. So, what we got, I'll have to cut that a little bit right there. But we just need to make sure that this lip right here is deep enough. So I'm going to have to eat into some of this pool shell because the PebbleTec is gone pretty much. So now I'm going to have to eat into the actual shell of the pool, the concrete, in order to get that deep enough. Whew, boy, that is a tiring job. But that's done. So check it out from afar. And if we go all the way around, we are almost ready to put the tile in. Now we just have to start right there and go to right there. That's exciting. Whew. This has been probably one of the tougher parts of the pool remodel. So, I think I might be done here for the day. Because I am going to go out for dinner. It's Friday night. So I'm going to go out for dinner here and go get some dinner and a brewski. All right. Well, I'm excited. That was a good solid hour of work right there, and that brings much joy to my heart, knowing that I only have a little bit left, and then a lot of the jackhammer hard work is done. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. We love that you're watching us, and hey, tune into the next one. Hope to have some more fun stuff for you. Until then, keep on DIYing, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.